Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix HP EliteBook docking station not detecting monitor, HDMI, DisplayPort and driver fix. To fix an HP EliteBook docking station that isn't detecting your external monitor, perform a hard reset by disconnecting all devices and holding the power button. Ensure the dock's AC power cable is plugged directly into a wall outlet and update your laptop's graphics drivers and the dock's firmware. Follow these steps in order to identify and resolve the monitor connection problem. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. Unplug all the cables from the EliteBook, including the dock cable. Then disconnect the dock's power adapter from the wall outlet. And while everything is disconnected, press and hold the laptop's power button for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, reconnect the AC power to the dock, plug the dock back into the EliteBook, and turn everything on. Fix 2. Check physical connection and ports. Direct test. Connect the external monitor directly to the EliteBook's built-in HDMI or USB-C port to verify the monitor and cable are actually working. Reseat cables. Unplug and firmly plug in the video cables, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C from both the monitor and the dock. Swap cables/ports. If your dock has multiple video outputs, try a different port. Example, swap into a different DisplayPort slot or test a known working cable. For orientation, if you are using a USB-C/Thunderbolt connection, unplug the cable, flip the connector to 180 degree exactly, and plug it back in. Fix 3. Adjust window display settings. Press Windows key plus P and select Extend or Duplicate. Now navigate to Settings, in it go to System, then tap Display, and scroll down to Multiple Displays option. Now click the Detect button to manually force Windows to search for the attached monitors. Fix 4. Update drivers and firmware. For graphics driver, outdated or corrupted GPU drivers, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA commonly prevent video output. So go directly to your HP customer support page, enter your EliteBook's serial number, and download the latest drivers from there. For dock firmware, HP frequently releases firmware updates to resolve dock compatibility problems. So go to the HP driver downloads page, locate your specific dock model, for example, HP Thunderbolt dock G4, USB-C dock G5, and download and install the latest firmware utility. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.